Alright, this is for the order for Tom Snyder, and this is the paper that you sent in, and you returned both the amplifier and the main panel board, and the main panel board turned out to be the issue, and so we are giving you a new main panel board with the orders. Just gonna go through how you install the amplifier on the main panel board, and so you know that it's working before we ship it to you. So this is how you install the pin that goes right there, or the cable plugs in right there into the amplifier. And this right here goes in wherever the divot is. And make sure this is out. The cable's out. Alright, then screw these in, but I'm not going to do that for the video. And then the white one goes into the white. Cable 2, 2. And black, black, 3, 3. And then this one is a little bit tricky, so you have to... let's see. Unlock this little lock right here by propping it up, and then put the cable in like that with the blue towards the lock, and lock it in like that, and then it should be good. And now just plug it into power. Alright, then plug the subwoofer cable from the receiver into the subwoofer like this. And whatever speakers into the speaker cable. And play music. Stop. Without the speakers, it's still playing.